Hello YouTube. Okay, next up I have a couple of answering machine / dictation devices here. Again, pulled them out of a dumpster. Let's see what's going on with them. This is a really old Panasonic. It's got two cassettes. Greeting, outgoing message, incoming message cassette. So I have not checked this out. I have no idea what's on there. We'll give it a little listen. Telephone lines going here. Looks like it's on. It wants the time. Time, day check. I don't know how you're supposed to set this thing. Is there a screen on this at all? No. So I'm not sure. It has a record time, a minute, or what's that say? Something Vox, 2 to 4. Rings before it picks up, I'm assuming, and remote code, which would be what you might type on the phone to hear your answering messages. Anyway, let's see what's going on here. Rewind, forward, play. Does anything work here? Before operating the unit, set the power on/off switch to on. Oh, here. Okay, something happened. There we go. Okay. Play. It's playing the greeting outgoing message cassette.
Yes, I'd like to speak to Mr.
Okay, so there's messages here.
905.
Okay, I'm not going to play that on YouTube. Okay, let's rewind this thing. Rewind. There it goes. Okay, how do I listen to my message? My outgoing message. Oh, it has memo as well. And I can always just flip these around. I don't have... Let's listen.
Hello, you have reached the offices of Yankee Preston.
Okay, so there's the...
10 o'clock a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m.
Okay. So that's who it belongs to. And these are the messages. Rewind. I'm not sure how to get this thing to rewind now. It will automatically do it. But, and I still don't know here, time adjust. There's got to be a way. I don't see a display here or here. Okay, anyway, old Panasonic EasyPhone, model number KXT1461. Yeah, pretty much not much use these days. CPC, AB, I don't know what that is over here. Okay, let's turn it off and unplug this puppy. Another Philips. Now, I don't know if it takes the same power plug. I only have one anyway. And no, it uses some weird looking thing like that. And I do not have that at all. So, but it's a transcription system, 555 transcription system. Not related probably to the 555 timer, I'm sure. This comes with a pedal. Now this pedal might come in handy. It's a foot pedal. It has a switch here, here, and up here. And out of that, it has some kind of what looks like a DIN connector. And I'm sure it's not too difficult to kind of reverse engineer the pins here, maybe with a continuity checker. You can figure out when you press this. I'm assuming it's just purely switching on and off between these. There's a basically 6 pins, and if you take them in pairs, 2, 2, and 2, it may just correspond to continuity between them. So just a matter of reverse engineering that. Maybe you can use this for something. You can also open it up here and see how it's wired up, so that'll be easy to figure out. That would connect up into here. Foot switch, headphone. That's a headphone, some kind of proprietary headphone set. And the tape would go in here. It looks like a micro cassette. Now I can't figure out how to open this thing. There's an eject thing that right here, but I've tried to open it and I can't. This part here does come out. Okay. Maybe you press there. Could that be it? Anyway, if you have a look at this, that's just an LCD panel. There might be some use for this thing. It looks like it just connects down into here. There's some switches, micro buttons there, and the date code on that chip is Intel 1980, Philips 1989. When was this made? I don't really see a code here. DSD 9505V6, Taiwan. Yeah, it's hard to say. I don't know the age of this thing. Made in Austria. Wow. Okay. 1991. That's kind of an odd button. I mean, a sticker. It's a Philips, but it says made in Austria. 22 volt, 350 milliamp. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of unusual. I don't understand why it would say electronics. Oh, Philips Electronics Limited. Okay, I see. This must be the Austrian factory. But if I can just open this thing, it would be nice. But I see no way. Oh, here we go. So there's a switch in here you have to press. And this must have been connected to some mechanism, like a lever that pushed on this thing. So that button here does nothing. Anyway, that's where the micro cassette goes. And then it enters in here. And you can transcribe your notes. So not very effective or useful today, because we have digital recorders. So this whole big clunky thing that took microcassettes is now replaced with a tiny little pocket recorder. But there you have it, circa 1991, state-of-the-art transcription system. Okay, if you remember using this thing, please let us know, leave it in the comments, and again, thanks for watching.